nimechoka mpaka nakula kama nimelala. Hapo inakaa ngumu kama ya mbuzi.
Niwashe. Niwashe huko. Naweka na nguvu. Hii ndio imeshaonyesha hivi. Ndio mafuta. Hii na iko sawa.
Welcome to my channel as loveseed-sos. Today I'm going to bring a new thing, and we are going to talk about tearing of the cow food into pieces. It can be Napier, it can be maize leaf, and so on, even the grass. So there is an easy way of tearing into pieces. Some know you use panga, and there's this method of using machine which is easy. So I'm going to show you how it works, and these are instructions you are come across when using the machine. So the machine, we call it chaff cut. So sit there, watch live what I'm going to give you instruction on working on machine, and I'm going to differentiate between when you are using panga to tear that Napier into pieces, and there's a method of using machine, and we are going to see the difference. Now, as you see below, this is exactly show that tearing into pieces. You see how it's very tirelessly you use strength, energy. We call it manual tearing of Napier into pieces. Yeah, You can find Napier very more. So it will be very hard work that is very hard, and it makes someone to be tired. You see there you can strengthen yourself, and you see it's into bigger pieces. Yeah. So to solve this case, we must have the machine chaff cutter, so that you can make work easier. You see, when using panga, it tear into bigger pieces. So now these are instructions. We are going to get instruction on using chaff cutter. So first of all, we are going to have its logbook, and its logbook has very instruction on use, as it has cautions, different cautions when using it. That is the book when you are before using chaff cutter. So that is the picture of chaff cutter. Let's move the closer way it. These are the instruction when using it. That is a valve for putting it on. So so there is chokes. There's chokes there. There is as you see the way there is a different choke. There is one for fuel, and you must push the choke according to its direction. The direction are being read there as it's shown below. You see. It's a given direction. You move the choke according to. So we have the two chokes there. We have the fuel choke, and we have the choke lever. As you see, and now these are razor blades that are on for cutting the Napier that on that wheel. Yeah. So you shall see how it's being how to start the engine. Here we normally have the grease. Grease is inside. So before you start operation, first of all you must check the grease if it's still there, so that it's safe for it give its energy, and to avoid those metals to be crushed. And you know what it means when those metals that are running inside, when they crash, if you don't apply the grease. So grease is a must. Even the instructions be written there. So that is the grease. You can see there is a metal that are running inside there when the machine is on work. So make sure the grease is being applied there. You take the other one, you apply where there is you can see there is a black. Make sure it's enough grease to avoid crushing it other into pieces. You know, it's good to take care of this machine when using there's a specific instruction that are being used. Yeah, there is an instruction given there are being used. You see the way I do. After finishing it, make sure you have you turn everything at the right. You take the spanner, you return those bolts, and make sure you turn at its right position where it's supposed to be. Yeah. You put bolts both direction where it's supposed to be. as you see below. I hope you have seen there. You have seen there everything. You make sure you tighten the bolts. Now that is three tall controller lever. Move the throttle controller slightly to the left. Yes, those are for increasing speed. The other lever, there is a fuel lever, and there is a choke lever. As you see, I told you how it used. That is the oil level. Make sure you not only grease check. Always remember to check the oil level before use. The container up the engine is the tank for the fuel. As you see, make sure even before you start. First of all, when you want to start operation, make sure you have that grass first of all, we shall have Napier. As you see here, you see the Napier are here taller and very healthy. These are very taller. They are being I'm cutting them to show how it's taken to that machine called the chaff cutter, and how it's being operated. So as you see, I will show you the instruction you use. So there is a booklet. I'll not tell you everything. There is a booklet will be given. There is a symbol. They have already written there the symbol words and very understanding English words, and it will direct you how to use the machine and caution when using machine. And there is a different many cautions are there. There's a different. I've just shown you a small clue to understand it easily when you want to use. Okay, that is Napier. I normally got the shamba. I cut them. I take it the home where the chaff cutter for the cow to eat. I tear them into pieces. As you see, the Napier is there. Okay, let's back to the chaff cutter. Let's move this. Here we have that red valve that put on the machine in on position. There is a choke lever, there is a oil lever. You move it according to the direction. They have already showed their direction. Make the fuel is in its direction, and there is a choke lever to increase the speed. Yeah, now the wheel is there. Now we want to start the chaff cutter. Now I hope you are seeing the difference when it's being cut into pieces rather than using panga. Yes. It make work easier. You see the way I'm working. So the method that you are seeing rotating inside, they are one pushing the napier to the razor blades and be cut. You see the way napier is being pushed and be cut. Yes, it works that way. Okay, after chopping them into pieces, you have seen the valve that red one put off. Yeah, make sure you clean those razor blades that are on the wheel. You remove the napier that are being there. You see the smaller you can compare between cutting panga using manual and the machine. You see the way it teared it into pieces. And it will very speed, but the panga will take time. I hope you can measure. Even the cow can eat it very easily. Yeah, even you can mix with other food for the cow to be eaten, because it's easy to be mixed because are very small. Yeah. Now I normally have a silage I mix with this napier. For example, silage, even the silage I teared it using the now the calf is here. You see, even it's very easy for calf to chew because are very small. Here is the silage. Though the silage, even I tear it into pieces using the chaff cutter. They are from maize leaf. Yeah, and we kept there for long period. So here you see the way I've mixed. Next time even I'll tell you how the silage is being installed. So continue watching my video, you will just see. You see, it's very easy to mix with any other food. Very easy. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe as Seed-sos, as you have seen there. So that's how chaff cutter works. Remember, you can comment there, you can share, you can subscribe and tell us and comment there what you have seen and what is your mind according to machine. If even you want a one, just comment there, or I'll give you my number. This is my number, 07460 540 32. You can get that number, call. I can direct how you can get that machine. Is a very easy. Even if you wanted me to come, I'll come to teach you how to connect it and how to use it. So I don't have much to say. Say goodbye.